Good morning to one and all. This is Madhavi from the Department of Chemistry, CHST St. Teresa Autonomous College for Women, Eluru. Today I would like to explain the second module of halogen compounds. SN2 reaction. 2 means bimolecular, N means nucleophilic, S means substitution reaction. It is also called the rate determining step of the reaction. It involves both the substrate, that is alkyl halides, and nucleophile. So the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of both alkyl halides and the nucleophile. Rate is proportional to alkyl halides and as well as nucleophile. Such reaction shows second order kinetics. Mechanism of SN2 reaction. Primary alkyl halides are always undergoes hydrolysis by SN2 mechanism. Consider the hydrolysis of methyl bromide CH3Br. React with sodium hydroxide NaOH in the presence of ethanol C2H5OH. Then the elimination of sodium bromide, that is NaBr, and to form methyl alcohol CH3OH. The reaction is only proceeding through a single transition state and does not having any steps. The hydroxide ion starts to share its electrons with the substrate carbon from the opposite side to the bromide atom. Simultaneously, the bromine atom starts parting away with its shared pair of electrons from the carbon atom. This state of Fi is represented in the form of transition state in which both hydroxy OH and bromine Br are partially bonded to the substrate carbon atom. Here partially bond breaking CBr bond, partially bond making carbon hydroxy bond are mainly takes place in this transition state. The transition states represented a structure in which central carbon atom is undergoes sp2 hybridized because the partially bond breaking CBr bond, partially bond making carbon hydroxy bond shows a partial double bond character. That's why the carbon atom is undergoes sp2 hybridized. The three hydrogen atoms are attached to it, lie on a plane with bond angle equal to 120 degrees. The carbon hydrogen bonds are thus arranged like the spoke of a wheel, with carbon hydroxy bond and carbon bromine bonds lying along the axis. Finally, the carbon bromine bond is fully cleaved by the energy liberated by the carbon hydroxy bond formation. The hydroxy groups take the position just opposite to that occupied by the bromine atom. Thus, the alcohol formed has opposite configuration to that of bromide atom. The change in configuration is often called Olden inversion, hence the reaction is said to proceed with inversion of configuration takes place. Energy profile diagram. The potential energy diagram for SN2 reaction shows that there is no intermediate state is formed. The reaction involves a single transition state. The reaction is exothermic. The transition states represents a highest activation energy. In this transition state, the carbon atom is linked and the 5 atoms forming 5 bonds. Out of these 3 bonds are full that is carbon hydrogen bonds, and two are partial, that is carbon bromine bond and carbon hydroxy bond. The transition states get converted into products. This conversion involves the hybridization of carbon atom from sp2 to sp3 because complete breaking of carbon bromine bond, complete making of carbon hydroxy bond. In that case, the central carbon atom of hybridization is changed to sp2 to sp3 and the configuration of the product related to the reactant molecule gets inverted. Stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. Stereochemistry of SN2 reaction can be demonstrated by taking alkyl halides having chiral carbon, for example 2-bromobutane. When right side configuration of 2-bromobutane is react with aqueous KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, according to SN2 mechanism, and always gives left side configuration of 2-butanol is formed. Results clearly an inversion of configuration takes place. During SN2 reaction, the configuration of each and every molecule is inverted. That is, an SN2 reaction proceed with complete inversion of configuration. For example, 83% of optically pure right side configuration of 2-bromobutane gives 83% of optically pure left side butanol is formed according to SN2 reaction. And finally, the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction is always proceeding through only inversion of configuration takes place. That means the nucleophile is always attacking to the backside only and does not front side. So this reaction is a stereospecific reaction. Differences between SN1 and SN2 reaction. In SN1 reaction, the rate it is always follow the first order reaction. In SN2 reaction, follow the second order reaction. The rate is influenced by the electronic factor. In SN2 reaction, the rate is determined by steric factors. SN1 reaction, the rate favored by the presence of electrophilic catalyst. SN2 reaction favored by the absence of electrophilic catalyst. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide in SN1 reaction is benzyl, alkyl, tertiary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, primary alkyl halides and methyl halides. But in SN2 reaction, the order of reactivity is methyl, primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. So it is quite opposite to the SN1 reaction. In SN1 reaction, partial racemization takes place in case of optically active alkyl halides. That means the reaction of stereochemistry is always proceeding through a retention as well as inversion of configuration takes place. It is not a stereospecific. In SN2 reaction, only inversion of configuration takes place. It is called Olden inversion. The reactivity of halogen in vinyl halides. The halogen atom of vinyl halides is found to be inert. That means it does not react with any other reagents. For example, it does not react with any nucleophile reagent while the alkyl halides react with this reagent very easily. For example, ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl is reacted with nucleophile sodium hydroxide, then the elimination of sodium chloride and to give ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. But vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl, it does not react with sodium hydroxide NaOH. Here there is no reaction takes place. Reasons for the low reactivity of vinyl chloride. After the formation of a carbon-chlorine sigma bond by the overlapping of sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon atom and p orbital of chlorine atom, the chlorine atom has a lone pair of electrons in p orbital. The p orbital of carbon atom is overlapping with p orbital of the another carbon atom. And to form a pi bond between two carbon atoms. Simultaneously, the p orbital of chlorine atom can overlapping with p orbital of carbon atom to form a pi bond between carbon and chlorine atoms. Such effect gives carbon and chlorine bond partial double bond character, owing to which the carbon chlorine bond in vinyl chloride becomes slightly shorter than that in ethyl chloride. Due to this shortening of bond length, the chlorine atom is more firmly attached to the carbon atom and cannot be easily replaced. Alternatively, vinyl chloride may be considered as a reasoning following the steps. Here vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl. Here the delocalization of electron, that is shifting of electrons from one carbon atom to another carbon atom in vinyl chlorides results in its increasing stability also, since sp2 hybridized carbon atom is more acidic than sp3 carbon atom. It is easy to remove proton from sp3 carbon atom, but it is difficult to remove a halogen as a halide ion from the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of vinyl chloride. The reactivity of halogen in allyl halides. In allyl halides, the p orbital of halogen atom is separated from the p orbital of carbon atom by a saturated sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and therefore the two cannot interact in allyl halides. Alternatively, the reactivity of halogen atom is due to its ionization, that means complete removal of iodine, and to form allyl carbocation. Once the allyl carbocation is formed, it stabilizes itself by resonance. Here the shifting of electrons, that is bond to one carbon atom to another carbon atom. Here the allyl carbocation undergoes self-stabilized. Reactivity of aryl halides. Unlike alkyl halides but like vinyl halides, aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Under ordinary conditions, the low reactivity of halogen atom in aryl halides is due to following resonance structures of chlorobenzene. Here the chlorobenzene, the chlorine atom having a lone pair of electrons, that lone pair of electrons donated to the benzene ring. The carbon atom of benzene ring is valency is more. In that case, the double bond is shifted towards another carbon atom. Here the shifting of negative charge from ortho to para to ortho. Due to this resonance, the carbon-chlorine bond acquires partial double bond character. Hence, it becomes shorter and stronger, and this cannot be replaced by nucleophiles. However, aryl halides can be made to undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions either under drastic conditions only, like using higher temperature or pressure, or very strong nucleophiles, or very strong electron withdrawing groups like NO2 nitro compounds, COOH carboxylic groups, etc. Only it takes place in ortho and para position to nuclear halogen. Reactivity of halogen in aryl alkyl halides, it is also called benzyl halides. Since the halogen atom is linked to carbon of the side chain is easily replaced by the other atoms or groups. Aryl alkyl halides behave like alkyl halides. Aryl alkyl halides having halogen in the alpha carbon atom. That means adjacent or neighboring carbon atom is called alpha carbon atom of the side chain is many times more reactive than alkyl halides. The increasing reactivity of aryl alkyl halides is due to the formation of resonance stabilized carbonium ion. Here benzyl chloride, here the chlorine atom is removed in the presence of boiling. The formed benzyl carbonium ion, it is always undergoes stabilized by the following resonance structures. Here the carbonium ion is always having electron deficient. In that case, the benzene ring donate a pair of electron to the CH2 carbocation. Here the benzene carbon atom of carbon atom is always deficient positive charge. Here the positive charge is always dispersed to ortho to para to meta. Here always gets a number of resonance structures. This formed resonance structures is always indicating that the aryl alkyl halide, that is benzyl halides, are always more stable. Thank you. We will meet you in the next module.